Our question is find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following cases. First one is px is equal to x plus 5. Px is equal to x plus 5. So we have to take x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 5. So our answer is minus 5 is the zero of px is equal to x plus 5. Now the second one, px is equal to x minus 5. Again we have to take x plus x minus 5 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 5. Answer is 5 is the zero of the polynomial, px is equal to x plus 5. The third one is px is equal to 2x plus 5. Let 2x plus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 5 by 2. So the 0 is minus 5 by 2 is the zero of polynomial 2x plus 5.